Now I have a few little screws that haven't covered. There's one, there's another one here, there's another one over there in the corner. And you know, I could use my big stretch, my extreme stretch caulking there, or I could take some little pieces of that cloth, and I can just put that on there, put the cloth over it. Oh, making sure that the cloth doesn't want to move. I should have made the piece of cloth a little bit bigger. Silly weenie. Okay. There's my other piece of cloth. I got a little bit bigger piece. That one. There. And because I'm going to end up coating this again a few times. I'm not sure exactly how many just yet. Bye-bye. And that one in the corner, I should have left it a little bit longer, but I didn't. And so now I'm gonna put a little piece in there. There. Okay. And I forgot, if you were watching, I said, hey Joe, how come you didn't put another little piece here on this outside corner like you did before? Well, I made sure I did it on the other ones. And I'll have to put something here. Not sure exactly what. I can just put that one. I was gonna get a longer one and cut a notch in it, but that works just as well. I'm using all my scrap stuff up. I was gonna throw them away. I thought, well, why throw it away, right? Why throw it away? Save it. You might need it. You might need it for something. Okay. Okay. Okay, I guess that's good enough. There. This stuff is almost like wallpaper paste, almost. So I can put it on a little bit thicker now that it's dried a little bit over the edges. a light hand on there. And you might have seen, remember I told you I put some big screws back further to suck that down further? Well, I've got 5 more. I've got 5 more there that I've got to do something about. Come on now. I could just use some caulking, but I kind of like using this tape better. There. I've got 2 more. Let's see if you can see that. Get you over there. I'm almost done.
Okay, Joe.
Okay, that's how you take care of those screws, right? Yeah.
That is crazy.
Well, after I got all of the first coat done, it was almost dry enough to put a second coat on. And the second coat I put on, and I didn't try to brush it on there as hard. I kind of had a light hand on it because I want to build that up all along there. I'm also building this up where this little lip is here. I'm going to build that up a little bit, you know, about yay wide all the way along there, if I can. Now granted, the water's still going to flow down there, and it would have to actually get to be a 1/16 of an inch high before it goes out. That would be okay, because it would only, the water would only build up about yay far, like that, and it wouldn't be that much, and it wouldn't do any damage or anything. By the time it dried up underneath there, it would be fine. Before, they had such big holes. You know, those holes there, I've got them flush with the bottom of the flashing now, and before they were up 1/4 inch, 3/16, and so whoever put this floor in initially, the water still had to get up that high before it went out. Okay, so as that's drying, and you know what, I only used up about 1/4 of a gallon so far, and I'm going to end up putting more on before the end of the day. I'm going to go ahead and get my 6-inch mini roller out, and I'm going to go ahead and paint over this apply that stuff over this floor, this roof coating material. Henry's Durabrite 100% acrylic Durabrite white elastomeric roof coating. Yeah.